just a girl. Cause it's new year, new me. Hey dolls, welcome into my YouTube channel. My name is Noctula, also known as Umatuli or Endorum. Yeah, so please comment, share, like and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. What I've noticed is that most people who watch my vlogs haven't subscribed yet, but they keep on coming back, but they haven't subscribed. So please subscribe, guys, to my channel. That would mean a lot. Hey dolls, today I'm jogging. It's early in the morning. I'm getting into my fitness journey because it's new year, new me, you know the vibes. Yeah, so I'm jogging today. I'm trying to be fit, you know. I'm trying to have a little six-pack, Niana. But we're getting there because you already see I've already have the lines. Okay, I'll show you my fit for today. So yeah, let's jog. So this day, when I was going to buy the material, some guy asked me, where is my car? He wanted to accompany me to my car. I'm like, from your mouth to Jesus' ears, God, I receive.
You want this one?
Yeah. Just today, nothing much.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you. welcome to my channel. Today's another day. Today's Saturday. I just finished doing my makeup. I was doing some makeup for pictures, just for pictures, and just for vibes, you know, the vibes. Just being a girl is so much fun, so they say. So yeah, I hope it looks good. I hope it does. No, it does look good. It's my second try. Like, if I cannot do makeup, that means all the girls doing the tutorials have failed me. Okay, I failed them. Okay, whatever. But yeah, I love it. I love it so much. The blush is blushing. Like, I'm joking, but yeah. I'm just a girl in the world. But please do check out my Instagram. It's Matuli. Yeah, and then Dora Heke. Please, I forgot the word. And also, I'm chewing bubblegum, so that's why I'm making so much noise. But yeah, yup. I forgot when last I did my makeup. But I also wanted to say I'm using Endora hair oil. If you want to order, you can contact us at 0603 443175 on WhatsApp. It's very important to oil your scalp. It makes a huge difference. Yeah. Just did my makeup. Alright, going to the store to buy some bread, but I just did my makeup. I just bought some order lights, but they are lights. They're like bad. They're not good. They're just average.
That's okay, just rescue me. Let me know what you want from me. Open up, let me in and see. But I know where I wanna be. Yeah, just wanna know what you're living me. But yeah, don't let me go. You know I wanna be around. You study more than what my heart is. Give me everything so I can be on it.
Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby. I remember empty mind shit. I should've came from you, yesterday. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. This is urgent. Make some little change. We don't want in my mind. Gotta let go away. He was holding me to the right. What I will bring in front of me. On the wall, away from my favorite. Still wanna try, still believe it. But then, always inside. Good. come in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby, baby, baby. I've been my hands in my shit. I should've